Coming up on Kylee Makes It. Ever wish you could look out your window and see all the planets right there in the sky any time of day? Me too. Let's make it!
Kylee Makes It!
Hi friends, it's me, Kylee. I am so glad you're here at the purple chair with me today. I'm not quite sure what we're gonna make. I've just been sitting here looking at the beautiful sun. It's peeking through the clouds every once in a while. You know what we make a lot of at the Kylee Makes It studio is planets and the solar system. We make those because my son, Dax, he loves the solar system. But to tell you the truth, so do I. I love it so much. I wish that you could see all the planets with just your eyes, just right when you looked out the window. Wouldn't that be amazing? I have an idea. Oh, I can't believe I've never thought of this before when we were making solar system crafts. Do you want to make a solar system sun catcher with me? Do you know what a sun catcher is? It's something that you put on your window and the sun shines through it and lights it up. So number one, it looks cool. And number two, we would have a little bit of the solar system right here without a telescope. Want to make it with me? Let's do it. To the studio! Welcome to the studio. Are you ready to make a sun-catching solar system? I know I am. This craft is so cool and so fun. Here's what you need. Coffee filters, washable markers, something to cover your table, and a little extra paper makes a really cool bonus project, and water in a square bottle. That's it. The first thing I'm gonna do is cut my coffee filters to the different sizes of the sun and all of the planets. Boop. Let's start with the sun. The first step to this project is to use a washable marker. It does not need to be this big, I just really like these big markers, and color your coffee filter however you want. Doesn't really matter how you put it on, but you will get different effects depending on how you put it on. Sun, done. Next, Mercury, the smallest planet. Venus. Earth. Mars is next. Jupiter. Saturn. I'm also going to use one of these rings from when I cut it out as the rings for Saturn. Uranus. And the last major planet, Neptune. All of my coloring is done. Now comes the super fun part. I'm gonna put a piece of paper down underneath my coffee filter. And then I'm gonna spray it with some water. Ready? Do you see how the colors start to move as they get wet? There are two words we can learn about how this process is working. Number one, the ink in the marker is something called water soluble. That means that the pigments, when they get in water, melt into the water. The next word we can learn is the word diffuse. Diffuse means that when it gets wet, the color and the pigment and the water seep or spread into the areas of the filter that didn't have any color on them before. They diffuse, they spread out, and we are left with this masterpiece. Now, the sun catcher part is going to be the filter. So let's peel that off. Once this dries, we'll be able to put it in the window and the sun will shine through it in this amazing way. And I told you there would be some bonus art, didn't I? When the color diffused, the ink that was soluble in the water got on to this piece of cardstock. And we got 2 pieces of art for the price of 1. Let's do the rest of the planets. Our solar system paintings are dry and they are so cool. Look, the sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth. I like how swirly that one looks. Mars, Jupiter, Saturn with its pretty rings. Whoa, almost lost its rings. Get on there. Okay. Uranus and Neptune. And look at these other paintings we got, just extra ones. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. I love how that looks around the edges, don't you? Jupiter, Saturn, whoa! Uranus and Neptune. I came up with a plan for these while these were drying. You're gonna have to wait to hear it. Another idea I had while these were drying was to try some gloss spray paint on them. I did try it on Neptune. This clear gloss spray made Neptune a little crunchier. If I just touch it, this is kind of soft, and this got kind of a slippery surface on it. It's also shinier when I look at it, and it's more stiff. It doesn't flop so much. I like what that did, so I decided that I'm gonna spray all of my planets with this clear gloss. If you don't wanna do this part, that's totally fine. This craft will still look amazing, just something new that I wanted to try. I'm gonna spray them, and then we're gonna let them dry. Let's do it. If you decide to do this step, remember, spray paint smells really strong, so you want to make sure that you do this outside or with a lot of windows and fans on. Ventilation. As our planets dry, I'm gonna work on my last step for these sun catchers. And I'm going to use this stuff, this extra art, which was just paper underneath this when we painted it. I love it. I decided that I'm going to cut these into frames that will frame up these Suncatcher planets. Boom. And then I'm gonna cut out the middle. Look how awesome that looks. Now I just need to glue this piece of paper onto the coffee filter. Isn't it cool? Now I'm just going to punch a hole in the frame part, tie some string to it. And this will be ready to hang in my window. I can't wait until those are dry so we can put them all together. We're ready to put them in our window. Let's go to the purple chair. Turned out so amazing, don't you? All the planets right outside of my window. I can almost imagine them dancing through space. I love how the light just makes these shine. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. I had so much fun making this craft with you. I'm serious. It was awesome, and I love how it turned out. I love making stuff with you. If you want to make more art with me, just search for Kylee Makes It. Kylee. That's me. See you next time, friend.